Hi Caleb, I watched your video on nonverbal communication. I completely agree with you on how important your nonverbal communication skills are. It can really change the perception of what you're trying to say. A lot of people, we look away, we cross our arms, shows we're not interested. I know that for me, on a personal level, I like to roll my eyes. So it's more at, home in that sense. The partner's talking to you or whatever, and you're just like, ah. In the workplace, I definitely am more mindful of those things. And I've had associates, one in a meeting, it was really kind of weird. But I was talking to him about attendance because he was new and he'd called in too many times. And so we were having the conversation around attendance, and he goes, and I was like, oh my gosh, it was like one of those situations where you're like, holy cow, and it was the time that I had to really like maintain, my tone and the message I was trying to get across to this associate, kind of communicating what's appropriate and what's not. So, on some of those things, it's really an interesting situation.